Want to send Robux to your friends using Roblox Mobile? In this guide, I will show you exactly how to do it even though Roblox does not have a direct transfer button. First, launch your Roblox app, navigate to the More page, then click on the option Create. Tap the three lines in the top left, choose Creations and select a place. You might need to tap it twice. Then tap the three lines again. Scroll to the Passes and Monetization, then select the option Passes. Click on it. Now scroll down and click on the option Create a Pass. Now go ahead and give it a name. Likewise, you can add anything in the description, and once you are done, click on the option Create Pass. Now click on the pass you just created. Tap twice, then click on three bars again. Now you will need to select the option Sales. Now switch on Item for Sale and enter the amount of Robux you want to send. Click on Proceed and click on Save Changes. Now you can head back. Navigate to the More page, click on the option Connections. Now the sender needs to log into their Roblox account. Make sure your friends are connected. Go to your friend's profile. Tap View Full Profile, then Creations. Select their place, scroll to the store and find the pass they created. Tap the price and press Buy. Once you have purchased the pass, the Robux amount will be sent to their account after Roblox spending period, usually a few days, and that's it. Now you know how to send Robux to someone using Roblox Mobile. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.